So this video will be showing you some of the accessories we supply for the W447 Mercedes-Benz Vito van. So firstly we have the seat outer storage boxes. We do these for right hand and left hand drive vehicles, and this compartment replaces the side of or goes onto the edge of the seating and gives you some useful storage. It's big enough to get A4 paper in, that type of thing. Obviously you can see from the size of your seat. Moving on from that, we also have the centre console cup holder kit. So this cup holder kit only fits the automatic, but does fit again right hand and left hand drive vehicles. Obviously it doesn't fit the manual because this is where the gear stick goes. Secondly, moving on to that, we do the storage boxes. We do two versions of this storage box. This is the enclosed one, or tambour fronted box. As you can see, it's got the door on it, or the drawer on it. We also do an open version of this as well. Again, please check out our other videos because these do show how to fit them and the differences between the boxes. As I said, we also do as well on the side of the seat panels down here. You'll see that these are just pure metal, and we do a finishing pad as well, which is basically like the storage box, but it's plain, that will finish off this side, making it go from like the grey plastic, from the metal, sorry, to the grey plastic. Later this year we'll also have some with the storage in it as well. So again, please check out our other videos or view us online on our eBay shop, Amazon, or on our own website, where we'll be able to show you all the different components that we do.